Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video, we will going to visit the new Bohol Panglao International Airport. So by the way, andito ako ngayon sa Tagbilaran City. Tagbilaran is the capital city of Bohol, and gusto kong puntahan itong Bohol Panglao International Airport kasi isa ito sa mga bagong bukas na airport dito sa Pilipinas. So as you can see, I'm here at the CPG or the Carlos P. Garcia Avenue, and medyo matraffic. By the way, mali yung nahintuan ko, so dapat atras muna kasi dyan banda is yung pedestrian lane. Ito ay isa sa mga busy na park dito sa Tagbilaran na kung saan matatagpuan yung mga iba't ibang malls. Naglalaki ang mga malls like the BQ, yung Alturas. Ito yung park nila, then ito yung simbahan or yung tinatawag nila na cathedral. By the way, yung airport pala is nasa Panglao Island. So Panglao Island is composed of two municipalities, the Dawis and municipality of Panglao. And this island is connected sa Tagbilaran ng dalawang bridges. So tinatawag itong first bridge and second bridge. So doon banda sa may cathedral, that is the location of the second bridge. Pero for this trip, I will going to take the first bridge na medyo malayo siya sa city or sa Tagbilaran City mismo. So ito yung road nila. Kung gusto mong pumunta doon sa may east side ng Bohol, ito yung tatahakin mong road. So dito sa may kanan na part, ito yung papasok papunta dun sa first bridge, and this bridge we're going to connect the Bohol Island to the Panglao Island. Pagkatapos ng bridge ay mararating mo na yung municipality of Dawis. So ito yung municipality of Dawis. Dito na part makikita mo yung simbahan nila. So ipapakita ko maya-maya yung simbahan nila. So medyo traffic sa bandang to. So dun sa dulo yun yung simbahan nila. Napakaganda ng simbahan. Not only in this part of Bohol, pero kapag pumunta ka dun sa mga iba't ibang lugar sa Bohol, like yung Baclayon, Lobok, maganda talaga yung mga simbahan nila. So itong road na to is papunta na doon sa Panglao. This part is still sa Dawis, municipality of Dawis. So medyo malayo yung airport from Tagbilaran, siguro nasa 17 kilometers. Sa estimation ko, parang Pulomolok to Jensan, dun sa Mindanao, kung saan ako nakatira. So bali yun yung layo from the city to the airport dito sa Bohol. And by the way, itong airport na to is bago kasi yung lumang airport is sinarado na and kinonvert na yun as a tourist attraction, and I have a separate video for that kung saan I explored the old airport, old Tagbilaran Airport. Nilagyan nila ng mga businesses, maraming nagtitinda ng mga prutas, gulay at kung ano-ano pa. So by the way, just a little information about Bohol Panglao International Airport. Sa Cebuano, ito ay tinatawag na tugpahanang pangkalibutanon sa Bohol Panglao. Sa Filipino, paliparang pandaigdig ng Bohol Panglao. Also known as New Bohol International Airport, is an international airport on Panglao Island in the province of Bohol, Philippines. So sa sinabi ko na kanina, itong Panglao Island is composed of two municipalities, municipality of Dawis and municipality of Panglao. So ang airport ay nasa municipality of Panglao. It replaced Tagbilaran Airport to support Bohol's increased passenger traffic due to tourism. The airport is dubbed as the first eco-airport in the Philippines and the country's green gateway. The airport is officially classified as an international airport by the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines. So sa pagkakaalam ko, before pandemic, merong mga direct flights internationally or palabas and papasok dito sa Pilipinas. I think one of which is yung sa South Korea. Kasi maraming mga Koreans na pumupunta dito sa Bohol. So the airport serves as the gateway to Tagbilaran and the rest of mainland Bohol for domestic air travelers. It is also less than an hour's flight from Mactan Cebu International Airport, which is a gateway to Central Philippines for international tourists. So by the way, this airport was inaugurated on November 27, 2018. So bagong bukas lang siya and ito na yung daanan papasok ng airport. Kanina merong daanan na diretso, yan yung papuntang Panglao proper. Okay guys, so medyo malayo-layo din yung entrance ng airport from the main road. Dito sa Panglao, parang meron silang tatlong road. So tinahak ko yung gitnang road kasi yun yung mas madaling sundin papuntang Panglao International Airport. So ito yung entrance nila. Surprisingly, okay yung mga motor kasi sa Jensen bawal yung mga motorcycle na pumapasok sa airport. So hindi naman masyadong confusing yung airport nila kasi maraming mga signboard and napakaganda ng road, napaka-smooth. So ito na yung pinaka-building ng airport, ang departure area. So dito bumababa yung mga pasahero. Bawal lang magstay ng matagal yung mga sasakyan dito kasi nagkukos ng traffic. Then ito yung exit. So hindi talaga siya confusing and maganda yung lugar, maliwalas, and higit sa lahat napaka-smooth ng pavement nila kasi I think they are using asphalt. Napakaganda talaga and I could say that it is on the international standard. So dito yung exit kapag gusto mong pumunta ng Tagbilaran, so dito ka dadaan. Then by the way sa left side, yan. So meron siyang gate sa left side that is for the parking area. So you just need to pay a specific amount para makapag-park ka dun sa looban. So ito yung palabas. Kapag turn right, kasi pwede kang mag-turn right, ito yung papuntang Panglao proper. So dun sa likod, kapag turn left, that is going back to Tagbilaran. Okay, so naipakita ko na yung Bohol Panglao International Airport and medyo malayo talaga siya sa Tagbilaran. So if you have an accommodation sa Tagbilaran, so you need to allot more time para siguradong hindi ka mahuhuli sa flight mo kung sakaling dito ka sasakay sa Bohol Panglao International Airport. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!